Control center not working in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on Face ID and passcode. Now enter your current passcode. Now scroll down and here you can see the option Control Center. If you turn this button off, then turn it off on. After turning this button on, then go back and click on Control Center. And if you turn off access within apps button, then turn it on. After turning this button on, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.